Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. And today, Bitcoin also shot up beyond 30,000. I think the entire global markets are in bull grip, I think in almost all asset classes. Coming back to our market, what a fantastic market. I've been starting the video every day either using the word what a fantastic market or what a volatile market, and today it's fantastic. And this fantastically markets have been following some kind of a pattern. That means markets open higher and some selling comes, Nifty falls 80 to 100 point intraday, but positionally maybe it falls to 200 to 250 point, and then after that market recovers. And this is the story for the last 2 to 3 months. It's a fantastic rally from 16,800 to 19,800. So it's more than 3,000 point rally in the last 4 months. And today, the last 1 hour, a fantastic short covering in Reliance Industries. The Bank Nifty did not go up much today, but it was only the Reliance. So that was responsible for Nifty moving higher, closing at fresh all-time high. And so today, it's a all-time high, another one. So Nifty future closed around 19,870, just only 130 point, or roughly about 0.5% away from 20,000. So whether Nifty will touch 20,000 by the end of this expiry, it all depends upon tomorrow Reliance and then a day after tomorrow Infosys. So today's rally is thanks to Reliance, but call sellers are struggling and everyday market going higher and call premiums are shooting up, but put premiums are not coming down. So today IT index came under a slight profit booking. It was not a very big, but the thing is, all the sectoral indices ended in green except IT index. So we have to see whether IT index starts recovering tomorrow. And today PSU banks have recovered, and looking at the open interest, so there was some unwinding in 19,700, 19,750 call options. There was a huge addition of 19,800 put option, which is almost at the money. I think now put sellers are becoming complacent. They just keep selling the put option, and they have been making money also. And call buyers are making money, put sellers are making money. So tomorrow we have to see. Tomorrow, first 1 hour, there will be no trade in Reliance, but in pre-market it can move very violently, and accordingly the option prices will follow. Only after 10 o'clock the Reliance will start trading, and then the markets can stabilize. And second thing, tomorrow is the weekly expiry. The markets will tend to be very, very volatile. And of course, looking at the global cues, UK inflation data came better than expected. So UK markets have shot up. I think now it is trading around 1.5% higher. And Goldman Sachs came out with not so good results. And because of that, once that result came, there was a slight dip in US futures, but they are stabilizing and still they are trading in green only. So just like here Nifty future, their Nasdaq future. Nasdaq 100, the low last September was 10,500, and yesterday, I think today also, the Nasdaq 100 future crossed 16,000. Not the spot. There's about 150-200 point premium. That's because in India we have future every month. In US the futures are there every quarter only. So therefore the premium tend to be higher. And Nasdaq 100, like it's more like a Bank Nifty, high volatile. So Nasdaq future has already crossed 16,000. So the entire world markets are in bull grip now. So we don't know. As I always say, usually and a trend which will last only 10 to 12 weeks only. If it is going beyond that, so there is something very big, and that bigness comes usually after very big fall. Say for example, post Lehman Brothers collapse, Nifty shot up 100%, post coronavirus, Nifty shot up 100%. Now this is post US inflation problem and Nifty is shooting up. So anyway, I need to go out. So even the institutional data is also not out. So that's why I'm just shooting this a little bit early. We will discuss the remaining tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.